quickly to West Africa. Okay, so these are the great mosques of Mali, in Timbuktu and elsewhere. And there, of course, you have desert. You don't have rocks. You don't have trees. You have to bring them from far away. So this is how they built their mosques, out of clay. And in fact, we're told that one of the great kings of Mali, I think it's Mansa Kankan Musa, he went to pilgrimage in about 1325, and Mali was so rich in gold that he caused inflation in Cairo for 15 years. But he also got, they say, an Andalusian architect to come back with him to build mosques. But they told him, we don't want a Spanish mosque. We don't want an Andalusian mosque. We want an African mosque. So in any case, however the case may be, whatever the true story is, this is one of the great mosques of Mali. Let's take the next picture. Here you get another picture of another mosque. I mean, they're really beautiful, aren't they? And they fit in perfectly with the landscape. They're perfectly tectonic, and not only are they tectonic in terms of fitting the earth, but also the color. So they blend in beautifully.